How much should you actually spend on an electric bike? You see the cheap ones and the pricey models, but is there a real difference? It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1, Sonaro Fat Tire Inner Tubes. We have the Sonaro 2-pack 20x4 Fat Tire Bike Inner Tubes, priced at just $18.70. These inner tubes caught my attention because they're specifically designed for 20-inch fat tire electric bikes. If you want reliable durability and a snug fit, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. These tubes are made from premium butyl rubber, which means they're not just any average inner tube. They're designed to fit perfectly in your 20x4.0 e-bike, ensuring you won't face annoying blowouts or leaks that can ruin a ride. Plus, with over 3,000 units sold in the past month, there's a clear demand for them. Now, some people complained about the installation process being tricky if you're not familiar with bike maintenance. Here's the thing though, for most, it's a straightforward fix. If you take a little time to watch a quick tutorial, you'll be good to go. This is perfect for you if you own a 20-inch fat tire e-bike and want to avoid those pesky flat tires. Skip this one if you're looking for something beyond just inner tubes, as they won't enhance your riding experience beyond basic maintenance. Now, if the installation concerns you, the next product on my list takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Googture Under-Desk Elliptical. The Googture Under-Desk Elliptical machine, priced at $89.98. This caught my eye because it's a compact electric elliptical that helps you stay active even while sitting at your desk. If you want to incorporate exercise into your daily routine without leaving your chair, this is worth a serious look. This elliptical offers both manual and auto modes with 12 adjustable speeds, allowing you to tailor your workout to your fitness level. It's perfect for seniors or anyone recovering from an injury, providing low-impact exercise that boosts your heart health while you work. Plus, at less than 15 decibels, it's virtually silent, ensuring your coworkers won't be disturbed. Now, some users mention that the remote control requires batteries that aren't included, which can be a bit frustrating. Here's the thing though, once you get those batteries, the convenience of adjusting your workout without bending down is a game changer. This is perfect for you if you want a discreet way to stay active at your desk. Skip this one if you need a full workout and prefer something more intense, as it's designed for low-impact sessions. It's a solid investment for integrating more movement into your day. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for mountain biking enthusiasts.
Product number 3, Maxxis Minion DHR2 tire, priced at $59.16. This tire immediately caught my attention because it's designed for mountain bikes and offers superb grip and traction. If you want to tackle steep terrains without fear, this is worth a serious look. The DHR2 features a dual compound design that balances rolling resistance and grip, ideal for those challenging climbs and rapid descents. It also has an E25 rating for light-duty e-bikes, meaning you can ride with confidence knowing it's built for speed and support. With hundreds already sold, it's clear that riders trust this tire's performance. Some reviews mention that it might feel a bit heavy compared to other models. Here's the thing though, that extra weight actually translates to enhanced stability and grip, especially on rough surfaces, making it a trade-off worth considering. This is perfect for you if you want to ride in rugged conditions and need a tire that won't let you down. Skip this one if you're only using your bike for casual rides on smooth paths, as it's really made for serious trail enthusiasts. If you're looking for an all-terrain option, the next product might be just what you need.
Product number 4, Magna Fat Bike Tire. The Magna Fat Bike Tire, priced at $52.99. This caught my attention because it's designed for fat bikes and offers a stable ride across various terrains. If you want versatility in your riding experience, this is worth a serious look. This tire boasts a 4-inch width that provides excellent traction on asphalt, mud, and snow, which means you can ride confidently in adverse conditions. Its anti-slip surface helps prevent accidents, especially when cornering. With 2 tires included in the package, it's an economical option for anyone looking to replace or upgrade their fat bike tires. Some customers have mentioned that the installation can be a bit cumbersome. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, the payoff is huge with how the tires enhance your ride stability and comfort. This is perfect for you if you enjoy riding across all types of terrain and need reliable tires. Skip this one if you're primarily riding on smooth city streets and don't need the extra ruggedness. It's a solid value for the performance you get. Now, if you want something even more specialized, the last product on our list will definitely interest you. Product number 5, Maxxis Minion DHR2 Tubeless Tire. We have another variant of the Maxxis Minion DHR2 tire, priced at $55.29. I found this one interesting because it's tubeless, which means you can enjoy a lighter ride without the hassle of inner tubes. If you're looking for efficiency and performance, this is worth a serious look. The tubeless design allows for lower tire pressure, which improves traction and comfort while reducing pinch flats. It offers excellent cornering traction, thanks to its optimized tread pattern that grips the ground firmly, especially in steep terrains. Customers have been raving about its performance, and it's definitely a top choice for serious mountain biking. Some users pointed out that tubeless setups can be tricky to install. Here's the thing though, once it's set up correctly, the benefits far outweigh the initial hassle, making it a favorite among dedicated riders. This is perfect for you if you're a serious mountain biker looking for performance and convenience. Skip this one if you prefer a traditional setup and aren't ready to deal with the nuances of tubeless tires. It's definitely a worthwhile investment for advanced bikers. So, to wrap it up, we've covered some great options. The Sonaro inner tubes for reliability, the GUTTR elliptical for convenience, the Maxxis Minion tires for serious traction, the Magna tire for versatility, and another Maxxis option for tubeless efficiency. Each has its strengths, so pick what suits your needs best. Happy riding!